groundnut shell pasting. Today, we will complete this container by pasting groundnut shells. First, color the container carefully. Then apply glue on the outlines of the beans. Now, paste groundnut shells on it. You can paste more than one shell on the outline of the beans. Now, your container is filled with groundnuts. Sequins pasting. Today, we will complete this picture by pasting different colored sequins on it. First, color the landscape as shown in the picture. Now apply glue and paste different color sequins on the sails one by one. See, sails of the boats have become more attractive. Dal pasting. In this activity, we will use different kinds of dal to make these hand fans. Let's start. First, color the hands of the fans with suitable colors. Then apply glue on the wings of the fan. Now, carefully paste different colored dal as shown in the picture. See, your attractive hand fans are ready. Don't you like to fan yourself?